Welcome to MimicHome.com, the website where we introduce you to a revolutionary way to learn English by eliminating the need for someone to practice with and using a rapid and effortless English learning technique. This is mainly based on the method of mimic learning. You can mimic native speakers from select featured programs, 6 Minute English and The English We Speak from BBC Learning English. In this demo, I'll show you how to use the amazing features of this site. As you can see, on the main page, you can find all the topics from 6 Minute English and The English We Speak. You can choose to watch a specific program here. Or you can simply type any word or phrase here that you'd like to learn about and find all the topics related to that word. Or if you prefer, you can choose just one program to search in. Now, let's take a look at the listening page. Here we have the 2 listening modes: topic name and date, the 3 playing modes, the presenter name, the toolbar, an editable paragraph, and player buttons. Over here you will find more options. We'll talk about how to use each little feature of this page next. Now I'll show you the key feature of this site. We have these 4 listening modes. You can choose your preferred listening technique from these modes. Let's try the continuous listening mode. Here you can listen to the whole topic all the way through to the end while reading the script of each paragraph.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. I'm Neil and...
Hi everyone, I'm Fei and I've just,
You can repeat it.
Hi everyone, I'm Fei and...
Go backward or forward. Then you have the amazing mimic mode. First, you choose the character you'd like to mimic. Then, play.
Yes, and today we're here with you, dear learners of the wonderful English language. Script, Neil. I misplaced it somewhere.
As you can see here, the audio has paused for exactly the amount of time you need to mimic this character's speech, every time. Next, we have another type of mimicking, which is shadowing. Using this mode, you can choose any character to mimic. Listen and repeat in the silence after he finishes.
Just wing it.
Wing it? Wing like a bird? Yes, the air is fresh and I flap my wing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You told me to pretend I was a bird, or to tell the...
And finally, you can choose to listen to only the current paragraph.
You told me to pretend I was a bird, or to tell the story of a bird, or I know lots of bird jokes.
In this mode, you'll listen only to the previewed paragraph and keep repeating it, going back and forth. This method allows you to listen deeply, concentrate on each word or phrase, and of course it gives you time to use all the editing tools available here for teaching the paragraph. I'll explain each one of them later on. In this video, we will go to the selection options in the toolbar. You can apply any editing to any selection range you like, using any selection range. First, let's take a look at the selection type options. This can be on a selected word, which means any appearance of the same exact word, or any, which includes being part of any word. Now, if I choose Word, select any word, apply any editing, then it will be applied to this word only. Then I choose Any, apply editing, and there you go. The editing is applied to any appearance of the word we. And if you'd like to undo it, just click here. And that's it. Next, we have the selection range options. You can apply your own style on all topic, just a selected word, or this paragraph only. If I choose all topic, let's see, this will apply the style to all paragraphs, as you can see here. If you undo it, it will be undone to all. Now let's try choosing selected and see what happens. Okay, so only the selected word has the new style. And when I choose paragraph, the style will be added to all the same words or letters selected only in this paragraph. You can undo it here or choose Revert Original to undo all the changes you've made. Now we're going to look at this toolbar, where you'll be able to edit the written script to customize it your own way. Here are the selection options we talked about earlier. You'll also find the font editing tools here: bold, italic, and underline. You can use the selection range to apply it to more than one. You can choose font color, background color, font type, and font size. You can also add number list or dot list. And let me tell you about this amazing feature right here. You can add any margin, note, or description in the script for the word. For example, you can add another form of the word, the tense of the word meaning, anything you need to. It can be placed above or below the word. Using this button, you'll be able to link the word with an external website link for more information about it. Click on the link button, paste the URL link, save, and go directly to the link when you click on the word. Now, about the Add Photo button. This feature is great for visual people who prefer illustrations or photos to help keep the words or phrases in their head. You can, of course, undo a selected style or revert it to the original format. Then save by clicking here or type Ctrl+S. In this video, we'll talk about this amazing feature that lets you write your own comment on the script to read them back again later. This can help you memorize the uses of words and phrases better. First, select the word or phrase you need. Add a new tag or choose one or more. You can export these tags to your own dashboard or search through them. Write your comment here, and there it is. You can also add more than one comment. If you need to, you can undo it or revert everything to the original. Now, let's take a look at the view mode. In this mode of listening, you'll be able to listen and view all of the editable transcript of the lesson at once. You can, of course, use the player options to go back and forth.
Hi, Dan. What's with the protective gear and helmet?
Using the multiple functions of the editing toolbar for all topics, only one paragraph, or just selected. Here, you can revert the settings for this paragraph, or click here for the whole topic. This is a quick video to show you the option tools you can find on the listening and view mode pages. Here, you'll find these 5 buttons. First, save all your settings. Then, you can download the script with your own editing style as a PDF file and print it by clicking here, or type Ctrl-P. This button takes you to the original page of the topic. Here you can download the original PDF file and even print it. And this is where you can listen to the full audio of the topic and download it as well. Here you can revert to the original format for the whole topic. Notice that this is different from the button that reverts the format for only the selected paragraph. There are several quick and useful options, all simple one-click tricks. All right, now it's time to explore those outstanding tools that can help learners, writers, teachers, and anyone interested in English language. Anyone looking for simplified tools has all he needs. First, let's have a look at the dictionary. This is where you can look up any word, phrase, sentence, idiom, whatever. Here is the number of times both words appear. And here you can see a variety of examples from the BBC English programs on how the word is used. You can listen to both the English and American pronunciation of the word.
Hello.
Hello.
And as you can see, each word is highlighted in a different color. You can listen to any paragraph.
Yes, a celebrity, someone famous, particularly someone in show business. That's the world of entertainment, theatre and film. Today we're talking about fame and teaching you some related vocabulary.
Or go to the lesson where this sentence was taken from using all the player options. Your dictionary can't be more creative than this. Now, let me introduce you to My Notes. This is your own space to write the new words, thoughts, phrases, or idioms that you've heard, learned, or read throughout the day. These notes will be private in your account for your own use. Here, you can view your notes. Clicking on this button, you can create a new note, add a note title and description, or customize it with a bright background and font color. And here's your note. bottom here, as you can see, there are very useful tools which will really help you to study and memorize anything you want to focus on. And you can use these notes later on your own dashboard. You can count how many times you've used this word and times you've heard it. Add a comment can be an example or an explanation. You can edit the note, delete it, or double-click to listen to any word in your notes.
Something.
Embarrass.
Make your notes come alive. Here is My Files, the tool that allows you to have all your documents in one place. Here you can practice writing or collect your favorite articles, poetry, stories, any written content you can imagine. You can create a new folder and name it. You can see your folder name up here. Then you can create a subfolder or add a document. Name it, and you're ready to go. You can create a title up in the title bar. You can type any text you want with no limit on the number of words you use. Or you can copy and paste any kind of text you already have into your document. You can see on this information bar the word count and the line count for your document. If you want to know the pronunciation of any word in the document, just double-click it and listen.
Learn.
English.
Speaker.
Now let's take a look at this editing toolbar. There are a variety of options allowing you to edit your font, change direction, or alignment. This tab allows you to download your document as a PDF file and even print it. This button allows you to translate selected words that you have edited. Choose your desired language, and there you go. You'll have your own words with their translation in the editing style you've chosen for each word. Download the PDF file or print it. Using this button, you can create your own MP3 file of the words you selected with their pronunciation. Download it and repeat it as long as you need it.
English.
Learn. Speaker.
Along here, you'll find the font editing tools. With this button, you can add a quote or create a code block with a super highlight. You can change heading size as well. These buttons will add a list or change your margins. Remember that these buttons will add a link or photo, which we talked about earlier. You can undo a style and save your documents. Save, read, and listen whenever you want in just a few simple clicks.